Assalamu alaikum guys, hi, my name is Azaz Ali. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. You are watching Loyawala. In my previous project I made a robot, simple basic robotic arm based on teach and repeat program. But in this project I have made a robot with the sensor. Once the object is detected on the tracker box, that robot will be activated automatically and it will pick up the object from the tracker box and place it to another place. See this video. This is the tracker box and this is the object. Now I am placing this object on the tracker box and the robot has been activated and the box has been picked up by the robot, and now robot is dropping the box to the another place, and now the robot has been come to their home position. Well, this is a short video, so I've been able to explain about the codes, programs, components, wiring connection, whatever I have made in this project. But I will make another video and will explain everything step by step. Thank you for watching.